When Kris Aquino announced she's the new ambassador of online shopping platform Shopee, Bistek babies were ecstatic. It's the fans group of the love team of Kris and former Quezon City Mayor Herbert Bautista. This reply from Kris got followers interested. Bautista joined the conversation thread. Giving kilig vibes to their fans. Kris and Bautista began dating in 2014. The Politiko even asked permission from former President Mayor Aquino to date Kris. They had an on and off relationship that finally ended in 2018. On Instagram, Kris told Bistek,
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.